Have you ever used the wrong verb to describe some action in a foreign language? Well, I will explain now difference between Doneti and DOVESTI, or Doneti and DOVESTI. When you want to say that, or ask or tell, they all mean to bring, but poneti, doneti is for things. Dali si ponela punjač? Did you bring the charger? While povesti or dovesti is for living things, for people and animals, like Dali si dovela svoju sestru? Did you bring your sister, like with you, and it can sound funny when you confuse these two, but it's understandable where comes the confusion, because if you're English speaker or you learned English before Serbian and you're relying on it, then it's obvious where the mistake happened, because to bring a thing and bring someone is the same in English, bring, and in Serbian it's basically two different verbs, poneti or doneti, and that's for things, and povesti or dovesti for people and animals. I hope that's clear now.